Ladies and gentlemen, and once again using very sophisticated time-traveling technology, we are bringing you this immaculate example, this engineering marvel from 1986. Just look how well kept this unit is. Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is BMW 320 E30 from 1986, and the condition of this car is simply immaculate. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. Such an iconic look. E30 is one of the favorite classic BMWs worldwide, and that is for a few reasons. This particular unit looks absolutely fantastic in its Polaris Metallic paintwork. This car is powered by a 2-liter inline-6 engine, rear-wheel drive and factory-fitted limited slip differential, making this car absolutely perfect for true enthusiasts. The condition is absolutely fantastic. Let me just show you guys. Look, even the boot. Firstly, the boot space, of course, quite big for the size of the car, but I mean, look at everything, guys. The lining. Still got factory original stickers. Truly unbelievably well-kept unit. And now that we've seen it on the outside, let's just have another look, guys, because this car is such a beauty. Let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Such a beautiful car. You know, BMW, they call them ultimate driving machine, and because even back in the day, look how driver focused the design is. This panel is turned towards the driver. I like this very much. Beautiful orange lead speedometer cluster. Very, very nice. Okay, the audio had been upgraded to a modern one. I really love this beautiful clock. So nice, so classy. Aircon is very cold. And these guys, yes, 5-speed manual gearbox, and it shifts absolutely fantastic. Look how smooth are the shifts, like butter. So nice. The condition of everything is absolutely insane, guys. Just look, pretty much perfect. The interior of this car, beautiful fabric seats. Even behind, look, even all the carpets, everything is superbly well maintained. Just have another look. One more thing I want to show you guys, which is I find super very cool. You know how in modern BMWs we have iDrive and you can go and check whether got anything wrong with your car? Over here we also have it. You press this button and it will go and check all the different things in your car. Your brake lights, your engine oil, your... So if the light is on, that means everything is fine. Alright? Wow, guys, this car is such a beauty. Definitely the best condition BMW E30 in Singapore. Absolutely unbelievable. On COE, we still have 6 years and 9 months left. A lot of time for you to enjoy, and of course after that you can renew, because classic vehicle scheme COE is only 10%, which is super affordable to keep this beauty on the road. Viewing is available daily in our showroom, and you'll know what to do. Call me, and we'll give you a good deal.